Good morning, boys and girls. We are here doing our sort 66, and today we're going to do a blind sort. I laid out my headers on the top, whoops, just to make sure that I have the right order. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to label my notebook. Today is 9-15-20, and we are doing a blind sort. Since this is my title, I need to make sure that both words are capitalized and that I underline it. I have three categories, so I'm going to make three columns. And the first column is the short A sound. And I know I put a hook on top when it's short. And the second one is my long A sound. And I put a straight line on top when it's long. And this is the A consonant silent E sort. And the last one is my oddball. And I know that the oddball is the one that does not follow the rule. I draw a line underneath it so I can tell that these are my headers. In a blind sort, I need to remember as many words as I can. So I'm going to go with one of the words over here was, let me see, I remember that the oddball was what? Remember? What? Then I remember cake over here. Cake was a long E because it had the silent E over here. I also remember same was over here. Then over here, I remember cat. And I remember snap. Now I want you to pause the video here and write as many words as you can remember for this blind sort. Now that you wrote down all the words that you remember that are in this blind sort, I want you to take your word cards and I want you to lay them right here. So now we're going to check. Snap was a short A. So I'm going to put it up here and up. I already have snap, so I don't have to write it anymore. Oh, look, same was a long E. And I have it already. Then I have face is a long E. I do not have that, so I needed to write it down. And I have make. And I have gross. Gross doesn't even have an A, so I know that's one of my oddballs. So what I need you to do is finish all your words and check that you have all the words already written down. And if you don't have them written down, you write them in whichever category they belong in. When you're done, take a picture of your sort and post it on Class Dojo.